Hello, very good evening, guys. Welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. Good evening, all of you. Hello, good evening. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? All good, all perfect. So the next subject for the mechanical engineering students today we're gonna practice the questions from the industrial engineering. So before starting the today's session, I want to confirm from your side my audio and video all good, all perfect. Hello, good evening, very good evening, all of you. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? All good? One second, let me check for mind also. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. All right. Chaliye. So good evening, very good evening. So as you know that all the subjects as industrial engineering is a very easy subject, a small and easiest scoring subject, and it's completely numerical oriented. So those who know the concept, those who know the logic, you will be able to answer to this question, right? If I talk about from civil students perspective, definitely there's one topic that will be taking questions from that topic also, that is PERT and CPM, which is a common topic for both mechanical and civil. So I'll be taking that questions from those topics also, but collectively if I say mechanical ke liye, it's a very good number of questions will be solving today's session, right? So before starting, please do confirm audio or video में कोई problem, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है? All good, all perfect. Yes. Very good evening guys. All right, so जैसे कि yesterday we have solved question from the engineering mechanics with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm. No PYQ, will be solving a good number of new questions for your practice for this subject of industrial engineering. और क्योंकि like approximately 2 months is being left out for the gate examination, so now you need to gear up, you need to give your best for the next 2 months, and in between you will be having some other examination like ISRO, HPCL, बहुत सारे अदर एग्जामिनेशन भी हैं, तो यू डेफिनेटली दैट विल बी एक्टिंग एज अ प्रैक्टिस ओनली, राइट? क्योंकि आपका भी जो रिवीजन है दैट इज आई प्रिज्यूम दैट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड द majority of the subjects and you are doing the revision by solving the questions. Okay, good to go. Chaliye, so let's go with the first question. Before starting the first question, let me have a quick one-on-one interaction, because many of you might not be have connected with me, so you can do connect with me on my Telegram channel, that is Mechanical by Suraj Gopi. Let me hide myself so that you are able to see, right? Along with that, this is my mail ID where you can drop me a mail if you have any doubt or difficulty, right? Okay, this is my personal we can say mail and Telegram channel, and if you have any doubt or difficulty with any of these subjects being enlisted, you can drop me a mail. Okay, this is the Telegram channel that I was talking about, Mechanical by Suraj. Or dekho, this particular we can say crash course is already being started from 4th of December. अगर आपने schedule save नहीं किया है, let me show you that schedule one more time. Already we have covered strength of material, thermodynamics, your engineering mechanics. Yesterday we have covered. Today we'll be solving the questions from the industrial engineering, and on 11th, that is on Monday, Chandra sir will be coming up live from the fluid mechanics, right? Along with that, क्योंकि देखो गेट की तैयारी तो कर रहे हो, along with that I have also planned an ISRO mock test tomorrow, day after tomorrow, till Monday, and app may be in our application, in our app you are having a dedicated ISRO level examination for revision. Okay, so you can do attempt that also. Along with that, if you want to join live, so 3 sessions I have planned for you guys for ISRO, because ISRO में industrial is not having that much of waiting. So industrial engineering, theory of machine and heat transfer, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, 3 days, 3 sessions, 6 PM will be the timing, same as that of the this one. Okay, तो 3 sessions करेंगे तीनों दिन from Saturday, Sunday and Monday, and let's check how much you have revised for ISRO, because ISRO is next weekend you'll be having your paper. So I hope so you are now ready for the examination. Just only thing you have to do is revise, practice, and see where you are lacking behind, and try to revise only those selected topics. ऐसे ही you will be able to get the upper hand over other aspirants, because competition is very tough. Many of the students have enrolled to that, have already filled up the form, so definitely you need to give your best in this next weekend ISRO के paper में. चलिए, so let's go with the first question on the screen, and let us suppose Ramesh sir, how can I activate 3 days trial courses? For that, I can say that you can just drop a mail to me, just the mail ID that I have shown you. I'll be forwarding that mail, your mail, to the concerned department. Okay, I hope so you are able to see my mail ID, right? That is suraj.s9@byju's.com. Right? You can drop me a mail there. I'll be forwarding that to the concerned person. I have to ask. I don't know the exact name of that person who is seeing this. Okay, Ramesh. Perfect. Chalo, let's go with this first question on the screen. A company manufacturing rivets whose selling price is 10 rupees per packet and variable cost is 8 rupees per packet. If annual fixed cost of the firm is 10 lakh or 1 lakh, okay, 1 lakh rupees, then if the firm has estimated a capacity of 80,000 units for the rivets, so what is the margin of safety? Chalo, they're asking you what is the value of margin of safety. A very easy question from the break even analysis. Chali, who is going to give me the answer quickly? Margin of safety. What's the value of margin of safety? So first of all, calculate the value of break even point. They have given you the fixed price. F is equal to we can say 1 lakh rupees, right? They have given you the variable selling price is equal to rupees 10 and variable price is equal to rupees 8 per unit. So from here, can we get the value of the break even point? Because what is margin of safety? We are always calculating from the break even point. The break even point say how much additional you have to manufacture, that is margin of safety, right? So I can say the break even point XBEP is equal to fixed price divided by selling price minus variable cost. So this is 1 lakh divided by 10 minus 8, that is 2, that is equal to 50,000. That is equal to 50,000 units, not rupees, 50,000 units. Okay, clear? 50,000 units. Now I can surely say that what will be the margin of safety? Margin of safety will be equal to X minus X break even point. X is nothing but they are given as 80,000. 80,000 minus 50,000. So the final answer that you are getting is 30,000 units. This is the margin of safety that you need to have for a manufacturing of 80,000 units. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. 30,000 final correct answer. Is this clear? A very easy question. और देखो PSU में भी बहुत बार देखा गया है, they are asking question on the break-even analysis. So I think you should be now ready for that. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Done, everyone? Yes. Can we now proceed to the next question on the screen? Question number 2 आपके screen पे ये रहा. From the PERT analysis, a common question from civil and mechanical both. Let's see who's going to give me the answer. A PERT network had 3 activities on the critical path with mean time of 3, 8 and 6. Standard deviation is 1, 2, 2 respectively. What is the probability that the project will be completed in 20 days? Quickly. What is the probability that the project will be completed in 20 days? बहुत easy question guys. This is a 1 mark level question. We'll be slowly increasing the level, difficulty level. Initially 3-4 questions are all 1 marks problem. Quickly, what is the estimated completion time? There are 3 activities. All the 3 activities are critical path. So we can say the estimated completion time, that is capital TE, is equal to 3 plus 8 plus 6. That is equal to 17 days, right? What is the schedule time? Schedule time they are given as 20 days. Now the next is you have to calculate what's the value of standard deviation. How we can calculate the standard deviation? Anyone? How we can calculate the value of standard deviation? They have given the individual standard deviation of the different activities. We can say standard deviation of the critical path will be equal to under root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square for the individual 3 activities. Okay. So this is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square under root of this. So this is 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 days is the standard deviation. So from here we can calculate the value of standard normal variate. Quickly answer बताइए. अब तो answer आ जाना चाहिए guys. A, B, C or D. Standard normal variate is equal to the schedule time minus the estimated time divided by the standard deviation. So this is 20 minus 17 divided by 3. So Z equal to 1. So the probability of Z is equal to 1. What is the value? It is approximately equal to 0.843 or we can say 84.3%. So the nearest value that we are getting is option C. Again, C is the correct answer. Option C, 84% is the final correct answer. A very easy question. A 1 marks, definitely 1 marks problem from the gate examination perspective. Clear hai? All right. Next question chale. Can we go with the next one? There are like more than 10 questions, like 13-14 questions I have taken. Slowly we'll be increasing the difficulty level, right? I told you 3-4 questions बहुत easy होंगे. उसके बाद we'll be landing with the 2 marks problem. Okay, chali, let's go with the third question on the screen. The network diagram for the project shown below, the duration of the activities is shown in the brackets of the network diagram. Okay, so you have to identify what is the critical path. So I hope you are able to see the image clearly. You have to tell me what is the critical path. Quickly identify the longest time taking path or the minimum time to complete the project quickly. Starting with 1 and ending with 9, the event 9, you have to tell me which of the following is giving you the correct option for the critical path. Is it 1 3 5 9, or is it 1 2 4 9, or is it 1 3 7 8 9, or D, none of the above? Quickly, let's start from the event 1. So this is 0, 0 plus 13 is 13, 0 plus 5 is 5. Now 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. So this is 5 plus 7 is 12, 13 plus 9 is 22. So 22 will be having the highest value, that is 22. 13 plus 8 is 21, 13 plus 10 is 23, 23 plus 12, 25, 22 plus 8, this is 12 is 35, this is 30, so this is 35. So from here we are getting 22 plus 17, that is 39. So the largest time taking path is, what is the longest time taking path? The longest time taking path is basically from 22, this is your 1 2 6 8 9. Okay, so we are getting 1 2 6 8 9 as the critical path. Critical path. Kumar, नहीं यार, सी तो नहीं आ रहा. ऑप्शन डी इज अ करेक्ट आंसर. 1 2 6 8 9, प्लीज डू चेक. 1 3 7 में आपका जो आ रहा है ना, दैट इज नॉट अ क्रिटिकल पाथ, लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम टेकिंग नहीं है, that is not the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. None of the above, because the critical path is nothing but 1 2 6 8 9. Is this clear? Yes, done. कोई डाउट है तो बताइए, so that we can clarify the doubt, because ultimately किसी भी एग्जामिनेशन के, if you are doing the practice या किसी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए you are planning, कंसेप्ट को क्लियर रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा तो अल्टीमेटली दैट डाउट जो रह जाएगा वो एग्जाम डे तक विल बी हैविंग दैट डाउट, एंड अल्टीमेटली दैट विल बी गिविंग यू द नेगेटिव मार्किंग. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ट्राई कीजिए. Again from the PERT CPM, in the network diagram shown below, the activity 6-8 can be started only when. चलिए बताइए. The activity 6-8 can only be started when activity 4-6 is completed, activity 3-5, this is 5, 3-5 completed, or activity 2-3 completed, or both 2-3 and 4-6 completed. When you can start activity 6 or event 6, when you can start event 6, when you can start event number 6 or activity 6-8. See the option, a very easy question, 1 marks problem. This is a 1 marks question. Anyone? Yes, Ramesh, Kumar. Option A, this is a dummy. This is a dummy that they have given. This is a dummy. If you see event 6 or activity 6-8 when only be started when 4-6 and 2-3 will be completed. Very good, very good. Option D is the correct answer, because we can say this is dummy, right? This is dummy. So dummy तो सिर्फ logic को complete करने के लिए we are using dummy, right? So we can say the activity 6-8 can only be started once 2-3 and 4-6 will be completed. Option D is the final correct answer. Very good all of you. Very good. Perfect. चलिए next question on the screen, question number 5. चलिए, 4 jobs to be processed on a machine as per the listed in the table. They are asking you what is the number of statement complete नहीं है, question है कि the number of jobs delayed using SPT rule. एक स्टेटमेंट था वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग था, सो लेट मी राइट इट ओवर हियर. द नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स डिलेड यूजिंग द SPT रूल. तो पहले तो बताइए व्हाट विल बी द सीक्वेंस दैट यू विल बी हैविंग. What will be the sequence that you will be having quickly? Yes. What will be the sequence using SPT rule, shortest processing time rule? Anyone? देखो SPT rule के according, SPT rule basically means according to the increasing order of the processing time. तो सबसे कम है C का, then you will be having B, then you will be having A, then you will be having D, है ना? C B A D, exactly, right? So we have arranged this according to the SPT rule. So let us write it over here. C B A D. Let us write the due date over here and processing time over here. Due date, let me write it over here, and processing time over here. This is your I think jobs. After that we'll be writing the job flow time, and then we'll be writing your tardiness. Tardiness means lateness. Very good, very good. CBAD correct. तो चलिए इसी सीक्वेंस में let us try to fill up this table. C का कितना है 4 and 7, 4 and 7. B is having 9 and 21, 9 and 21. A is having 11 and 13, 11 and 13. D is having 27 and 35, 27 and 35. So let's fill up the table. Let's calculate the job flow time. 0 plus 4 equal to 4. 4 plus 9 equal to 13. 13 plus 11, that is equal to 24. And 24 plus 27, that is equal to 51, I think. Yes, 51. Okay. So let's check for job number C. It is supposed to be completed in 7 days. We are completing in 4 days. It is not a tardy job. Tardiness equal to 0. It is supposed to be completed in 21 days. We are completing in 13 days. Again, not a tardy job. It is supposed to be completed in 13 days. We are completing in 24 days. Yes, it is a tardy job having a tardiness of how much? I think 11 days. It is supposed to be completed in 35 days. We are completing in 51 days. So if you try to subtract, that will be 16 days. Okay. So we can say the question is how many jobs are, a number of jobs being delayed. So I can say job number A and D are being delayed. These are the tardy job, or these are the delayed job, tardy jobs, right? So I can say 2 jobs being delayed. Option A is the correct answer. Job A and job C, job D is being delayed. And what's the total tardiness? Total tardiness is equal to 27. If they're asking you what is the average tardiness, then it will be 27 by 4. That will be somewhere around your 6.75. 6.75 will be the average tardiness. Clear? Understood? In this question they have asked you what is the number of jobs being delayed, or the tardy jobs के बारे में पूछा था. So that is option A. 2 jobs is being delayed. That is which one? A and D. A and D are the 2 jobs that is being delayed. By using the SPT rule we have identified. Done? Clear Sadasiva? Kumar, Ramesh, done? Clear hai? Can we now go to the next question, question number 6? Right? Chalo, let's go with the next question. Definitely a very important, and many number of times this kind of question is being asked in the GATE examination. A company uses 30,000 units of raw material costing 2 rupees per unit. Ordering cost is rupees 100 per order, and holding cost is 3% per year of the average inventory. The company follows EOQ purchasing policy. It operates for 300 days per year, and procurement time is 20 days, and safety stock is 500. What is the maximum inventory level? What is the value of Q maximum? Chaliye, let's try this one. What is the maximum inventory level? Quick. So they're saying that a company uses 30,000 units of raw material costing 2 rupees per unit. So definitely they're talking about the annual. So capital D is given as 30,000. Okay, 30,000 units per year. The unit price is rupees 2. Good evening per unit. Ordering cost is rupees 100 per order. The holding cost is 0.03 of C. 3% of C basically. 3% of C, right? That is equal to 0.03 into 2. that is 0.06. Okay, so let's try this and tell me what is the final correct answer that we're getting. 2 into D to CO 06. Yes, quickly, what is the answer you are getting? Calculate the value of Q star economic order quantity, then from there you can get the value of maximum inventory level. Is it option A, is it option B, is it option C, or option D? What is the value of Q maximum? It is following the EOQ purchasing policy. That means you have to calculate the value of Q star. Good evening, Ankit. Quickly tell me the answer. What is the answer over here? A 10,500 or B 10,000, C 5,000, yeah, D 5,100. First of all, calculate the value of Q star. First of all, calculate of EOQ, that is the value we are having, that is Q star, that is equal to 2DCO by CH root of this option A. Okay, Siddha Siva is getting option A, very good. 2 into 30,000 into ordering cost is 100, holding cost is 0.06. What's the value you're getting? Q star value, everyone? I think that should be 10,000 units. Please check. Are you getting 10,000 units? You know, this two get cancelled. This is 6 and 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 zeros. So 10,000 units is the value of Q star. Now, if you try to understand, they are following the EOQ model with the safety stock. With the safety stock, right? So what will be the maximum inventory? Like this. This is Q max. Okay, so Q maximum will be, what is the Q maximum? So Q maximum will be equal to Q star plus safety stock. Safety stock is given as 500. So Q star is 10,000 plus 500. That is coming out to be 10,500 units as the correct answer. Option A. Very good, Sadasiva. Correct answer. A is the correct answer. Students do get confused over there. They will be in a hurry. They could mark option B as Q star as the value, which is not correct because they have given you the safety stock value also. That is the reason I have given you over here the Q versus time. So they given you the safety stock. SS represents the safety stock. Okay, so from here you can easily identify the value of maximum inventory level in this particular formulation. Clear? Done. Next question. Chaliye, next question on the screen. Very good. 7th question. From Queuing model. This question is from Queuing model, and let me give you a hint. You have to use the Little's law. I hope so you know what is the Little's law. If the arrival and the departure rate is mm1q and 1/2 per minute and 2/3 per minute respectively, that means they are saying that arrival rate is 1/2 customer per minute and the service rate is 2/3 customer per minute. So what is the average waiting time of the customer in the queue? WQ you have to calculate quickly. What is the average waiting time of the customer? Quickly, do let me know what's the answer. A, B, C or D? Quick. बताइए. We can calculate the value of rho. Rho is equal to lambda by mu. Lambda is 1/2 divided by 2/3. So this is 3/4 as the value of rho. And we can use LQ. LQ is equal to rho square upon 1 minus rho. Right? This is 3/4 whole square divided by 1 minus 3/4. That is coming out to be 9/4. 9/4. Right? Because 1/4 can cancel. Perfect. So we can say using Little's law, the average waiting time of the queue is equal to length of the queue divided by lambda. So this is 9/4 divided by lambda value is 1/2. So this is 9/2, that is 4.5 minutes as the final correct answer. Are we having this 4 point? Yes, option A is the correct answer. 4.5 minutes, option A is the final correct answer that we are getting. Okay, option A, 4.5, final correct answer from the Queuing model that is being asked in this question. Chaliye, let's go with the next problem. Question number 8 on the screen. A question from LPB. A linear programming problem is shown below. We are having the objective function, the maximization value. This is the objective function, and this is your objective function, right? And they are given you two constraints. So by looking at this, can you tell me which of the following is correct? It's an unbounded function, objective function, exactly one optimal, no solution, or infinitely many optimal solution. Now it looks like to be infinite many. Why? Because the slope of one of the constraint is exactly matching with the objective function. Hana? Yes, very good, Sadasiva. If you see one of the constraint, the slope, this one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, exactly matching with the slope of objective function. But we have to check whether it's a binding or a non-binding. If this would have been a redundant constraint, let us suppose, if this is a redundant constraint, then you have to check the final correct answer. Okay, so we can write it like this: 4 by 6 plus y by 4 equal less than equal to 1. First constraint we can write it like this. Second constraint we can write it x by 4 plus y by 5 is less than equal to 1. Okay, let me plot it over here. Two constraint, very easy to plot, y and x. So this is 6 and 4 less than equal to 0. This is 6, this is 4, constraint number 1. Second is 4 and 5, this is 4 and this is 5, constraint number 2. Right, so we are having a feasible region, so it is quite obvious option D is the correct answer, because both constraint are, none of the constraint is a redundant constraint. Option D is the correct answer. Why we can surely say? Because if you try to write 2x plus 6y less than equal to 12, it is having the same slope as that of the objective function. From there only we can say option D is the correct answer, but definitely we'll be proving this. Let's say that we are having 4 different points, A, B, C and D. A is having coordinate of 0, 0, B is having coordinate of 4, 0, C you have to calculate, D is 0, 4. Can you tell me what is the coordinate of C? C is having coordinate of 2x, or we can say x plus 4, na? 2x plus 3y is equal to 3y is equal to 12, and 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. You multiply it by 5 and multiply it by 2 and subtract, you'll be getting 15 minus 8. This will be 15y minus 8y is equal to this is 60 minus 40. So y is equal to how much? 20 divided by 7, and 20 by 7, right? So from here we can place it and get the value of x. Can you tell me what's the value of x you are getting? 40 and 60, 40, 15 minus 8, 7. Okay. So let us place it in this equation. So we'll be having 60 by 7, 60 by 7, 12 minus answer divided by 2. We are getting 1.7 something, 1.71. Okay, right? Chalo. So now we can place it. X is 1.7. and this is 20 by 7 is 2 point something, 2.9. I'm rounding up to the 1 decimal, 2.9. Okay, so now if you try to calculate z is equal to 2x plus 3y. So this is equal to 0. This is equal to 4, that is 8. You calculate this is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12, 8. You try to calculate this one, 1.7 into 2 plus 3 into 2.9, near about to 12 you are getting, right? So we can surely say C and D are having, because this is a maximization problem, so we are getting a maximum value at C and D. So this is an example of an infinitely many solution. In the examination, you don't have to solve it this one, only just by identifying the feasible region, by seeing that none of the constraint is redundant constraint, and if any of the constraint is having the same slope as that of the objective function, from there only we can surely say it is having infinitely many. This we have done for understanding whether the concept that we are applying is correct or not. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Very good. Next question, question number 9. Then the network diagram for the project shown below, the duration of activity is indicated. Okay, so they're asking you what is the free float of activity 3 4, this one. What is the free float of activity 3 4? Quickly go with the forward pass, then go with the backward pass computation, and then you can identify the free float. Very easy, direct, straightforward. 2 marks question normally is being asked in the gate examination like this. Chaliye. Identify, this is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, 2 plus 10 is 12, 10 plus 6 is 16, this is 15, this is 16, right? 10 plus 3 is 13, 15, 21, 12 plus 9 is 7 is 19, 19 plus 8 is we can say 27. Yes, go with backward computation. So we are having what is the critical path? This is the critical path, I think. This one is the critical path. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So where we have critical path, right, as it is like this: 19, 27, 27 minus 5, that will be 22. Okay, calculate, tell me what's the free float. Draw that same network diagram 3 4, and I'll draw the network diagram, that is 3 4. Early start time is 12, latest start time is 12, early finish time is 16, and latest start time is earliest finish time is 16, and latest finish time is 22, and it is having a duration of 3. 3 4 they are asking, 3 4. Chale, how we can calculate the value of free float? Free float, how we can calculate? A simple question, very easy, we can calculate now. Free float, that will be equal to 16 minus 12 minus 3, because it is having a formulation of your EJ minus EI minus the duration. That is your free float formulation. If I try to write in general perspective, this is I, this is J, this is EI, this is LI, this is EJ, this is LJ, and this is the duration TIJ. So EJ minus EI, EJ minus EI minus TIJ is equal to this. So we'll be getting 15, 1 as the free float. Free float will be equal to 1. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Achha, can you tell me what will be the total float? Anyone? What will be the total float for this activity 3 4? Anyone who can tell me in the comment section? If you want to calculate total float, let me give you the formulation first of all. That is equal to LJ minus EI minus TIJ. Let us place it over here. What will the total float will be getting? 22 minus 12 minus 3, right? So this is 15. So 7 will be the total float. If you want to calculate the independent float, how we can calculate the independent float? Independent float, that is IF, that is equal to LJ minus LI minus TIJ. So let us place it over here, the values. So it will be 22 minus 12 minus 3, that is coming out to be 7. Okay, fine. Right, so this way you can calculate the value of free float, total float, independent float. I have calculated all the possibilities because in examination it's not mandatory that you only asking the free float. They can ask you the total float also or independent float also. Okay, fine. Is this clear? Very good, Inush. Correct. Option A, 1 is the correct answer. Done, everyone. Next question, can we go to the next one? Okay, let's proceed for the next problem. I think that will be from forecasting. Okay, from this one, sequencing. There are 5 jobs, each of which we process through 3 machines A, B, and C. A, B, and C in the order A, B, C only, right? So they are asking you the processing time in the odds are being given. What is the optimal sequence of 5 jobs using the Johnson's algorithm or Johnson's rule? What will be the optimal sequence of this 5 jobs? Now, how we can proceed? How we can proceed? There is one condition that we have to check, then only we can go with this one. Yes, to apply the Johnson's rule for 3 machines operation, what condition we have to apply? The condition is quite simple. Either the minimum of A should be greater than equal to the maximum of B, or the minimum of the third machine, that is Ci, should be greater than equal to the maximum of the machine B. Okay, so which one of the conditions being satisfied? Can you tell me? If you see, the minimum of A is 3 and the maximum of B is 5, so this equation is, this condition not satisfied. The first condition is not satisfied. Second one, the minimum of C is 5. Definitely this condition is satisfied. So whenever this condition being satisfied for a multi machine, for more than 2 machines, then we can say, we can assume this to be hypothetical machine, that is X and Y. There are two hypothetical machines, because from two machines we can directly calculate the Johnson's rule. We can apply the Johnson's algorithm. So what is this X? X is nothing but the summation of A plus B. And what is Y? That is summation of B plus C. Okay, so let us write the individual. There are 5 jobs now, 5 jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4 and job 5. 5 jobs, and calculate individually what the value will be getting. 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 7 is 11, 8 plus 5 is 13 and 5 plus 9 is 14, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 6 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 10 is 30, right? So now we have we have converted this 3 machines into a 2 machines. Now we can use a Johnson's rule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can apply the Johnson's rule and get the value. Chaliye, what is the Johnson's rule? It states that you have to identify the minimum value. Minimum value is 6 and it is on the second machine, so you have to start allocating from the right, that is 3. That means the end point is 3. So we can eliminate B, D and C. Option A is the correct answer. Is this clear? Just by having this, just by having one allocation, we are able to solve this question, right? I hope so you are able to see the option, है ना? I hope so you are able to see the option, right? देखो, clear है? So by just having only one formulation, your problem is solved. Okay, but we will be doing this. So this is, we can eliminate. Now the next minimum is 7. Now 7 is being observed in 3 different jobs. So when, and that is in machine number 1. So whenever you're having this kind of condition, then you have to see the adjacent. You have to see the adjacent one. So adjacent, the least one is with the 4. So we'll be allocating 4 first of all. Then the second minimum is with the 1 and third minimum is with 5. So 4, 1, 5, 2, 3 is the correct sequence. 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, option A is the correct sequence. Clear? So this way we have used the Johnson's rule of 3 machines to get the optimal sequence. And after that, you can definitely calculate what is the utilization of the machines, what is the idleness of the machine. You can easily calculate by calculating, but that will be a mains level problem, not a gate level problem. Okay, fine. Is this clear? Done. Can we now proceed? Next question, question number 11th on the screen. Yep. 4 factories A, B, C and D with capacities 10, 8, 5 and 6 tons respectively supply sugar to 3 markets X, Y and Z. The demand at X, Y and Z is given 7, 12 and 5. The following is the transportation cost for 1 ton of sugar. Calculate the basic feasible solution by using northwest corner rule for the total transportation cost S. That means using northwest corner rule, you have to tell me the value of the transport. Very easy question guys. चलिए बताइए. Transportation cost. Transportation cost. Quickly. By using the northwest corner rule, you have to tell me the transportation cost. है ना? बताइए. Now first you tell me, is this a balanced one or non-balanced? Quickly. See, source and destination, is this balanced or unbalanced? We're having 4 factories, we're having 3 suppliers, or we can see 3 destinations. Like this is this one. Not a balanced one. If you try to calculate 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6, it will be 14. Sorry, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 10, 29. This is the value is 29. If you try to add 7 plus 12, that is 19 plus 5. that is 24. So it is not a balanced one, it is an unbalanced, because the total source and supply is not matching. So how we can balance this one? This is the we can say source, and these are the destinations. These are the destinations. Okay, so you have to tell me where you need to apply the dummy, source or destination. Add dummy, definitely we have to add dummy. So you have to add dummy in source or destination. The total source is 29, the total destination we are having is 24. So you have to add a dummy in the destination having a units of, this is your dummy, 0 0 0 0, and this will be 4. No, not 4, 5. 5 units you need to add a dummy, then only this will be 5 plus 5 10 plus 12, that is 22, plus 7, that is 29. Now it will be having a balance. Now it will be completely balanced, right? Now northwest corner rule, it's quite easy. I hope you know what is northwest. Northwest is this direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. You have to allocate in the northwest. Top left corner you have to allocate. Okay, chaliye. So first allocation will be done over here. So tell me how much allocation you will be doing. How much allocation you can do in the top left corner? 7 or 10? What's the maximum value that you can allocate? Quickly bataiye answer. I'm asking you from cell wise. Ek cell karke I'm asking you so that you're not having any confusion. 7, very good. You can allocate 7. So now you're left out with 3. So you can strike off this one. You can strike off this one. Now the top left corner, this is the top left corner. Now what is the next allocation that you can do? You're having 3 availability at source A, and destinations having 12. Definitely we have to go with the 3. This is 0. This one. So this is left out will be how much? 9. Right. Now the top left corner, this will be 8 and 9. So you have to go to the select lowest value. This is 8 allocated, 1 left out, strike off. Next top left corner, you have to allocate only 1, 0, 4, strike off. Over here you can allocate 4, over here you can allocate 1, and over here you can allocate 5. Simply, once you are having only 2 being left out, then we can allocate 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, this is done. 4 plus 1 is 5, this is done. 5 and 5, this is done. 5 plus 1 is 6, this is. So we have allocated all the allocations being done for the corresponding source and factories. Okay, so now we can multiply the total transportation cost. Transportation cost will be equal to 4 into 7 plus let me rub off this because that will be required over here. Now I'm rubbing this, right? So I will be requiring to write that value now. 4 into 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 6 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus this will be 3 into 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 5. Chaliye, what's the value you are getting? Final value. Final value that we are getting 105. Everyone is getting 105. Please check. Sadasiv is getting 105. 105, and they are giving in thousands. They are giving in thousands, I think. Tons. So 105. Option A is the correct answer. 1050. 105 rupees. 105, and they are giving the values in hundreds. So 1050 rupees is the answer, and that too they are given this all in hundreds. So option A, 10500, is the correct answer. Okay, if they are giving you option as 105, do not mark 105 as the correct answer, right? Because they have given this values in hundreds. Okay. Clear? Fine. Is this clear, everyone? 10500 is the final correct answer, and we have used the northwest corner rule to identify this feasible solution. Chaliye, next question, question number 12 on the screen. Without forecasting, our industrial engineering is not completed. Let us go with this question. The monthly forecast and demand for the firm are given below. You have to calculate what is the mean square error. Mean square error, very easy question. Mean square is nothing but di minus fi whole square, summation of I is equal to 1 to n divided by n. Let's calculate the error for individual's value, that is a di minus fi for all the different months. 95 minus 100, that is minus 5. 90 minus 105 is minus 15. 110 minus 100 is 10. 98 minus 100 is minus 2. 110 minus 90 is minus 20, right? So you have to take the square and you have to add and take the mean of this. So mean square error will be equal to minus 5 square, minus 15 square, 10 square, minus 2 square, minus 20 square divided by number of 5 months, na? 5. That is mean square error. Option B, okay, Kumar is getting option B, 150. Okay, anyone else? Kumar is getting option B, 150.8. Sadasiva, Ankit, Ramesh, quickly. Option A, B, C or D? Let me help you. So this is 25 plus 225. Let me add 5 square plus 15 square plus 10 square plus 2 square plus 20 square divided by 5. That is 150.8. Exactly, you are getting 150.8. 150.8. Option B is the correct answer. The mean forecasting, mean square error in the forecasting for this month we have calculated. Okay, done. Chaliye, next question. Let's proceed for the next one. The table gives the details of an assembly line. We're having workstation and also we're having some task time being given, individual task time for the different workstation. They're asking you what is the line efficiency of the assembly line. I hope so this type of question you have already solved, assembly line balancing, right? What is the line efficiency? Line efficiency is equal to the total work content divided by the number of cycle into cycle time. Okay, so what is total work content? Total work content is nothing but the addition of all the time. So what is the total? 25 plus 27 plus 23, what's the value you're getting? You add this value, 25 plus 27 plus 23 plus 14 plus 22 plus 27 plus 12. This is 150. This is 150. Number of n is number of stations, number of workstation, that is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 7. N is equal to 7. There are 7 workstations. So what will be the cycle time? What will be the TC is the cycle time. I hope so you know TC is the cycle time. So my question is, what will be the cycle time that you have to take? Among all the list of values, what we have to take it as cycle time? Yes, exactly. You have to take the cycle time, the maximum of all the station time, right? Among all the station time, you have to take that as the maximum. So the maximum value is 27. Yeah, 27, right? So this is 27 minutes. This is 150 minutes. Calculate and tell me what's the percentage you are getting. So the line efficiency is 150 divided by 7 into 27 into 100. So what's the value? Divide by 7 into 27. 79.36%. We can round up to the next integer, that is 80% is the line efficiency. So option A is the correct answer. 80%, option A is the correct answer. Acha, if they are asking you what is balance delay, can you tell me what will be the balance delay? What will be the balance delay for this workstation or this assembly line? Balance delay is nothing but 1 minus line efficiency, that is 20%. 20% will be the balance delay, right? This 20% will be your balance delay, right? That is equal to 1 minus efficiency, 20%. Clear? Perfect, perfect. So these were some set of questions from the entire different topics of industrial engineering, and if you take out the recent years papers also, now you will be getting this level of questions only, right? So these are some students, those who have excelled in this year's ESE 2023. Along with that, very important update, because without mock test, your gate preparation is not complete. So from 16th of December onwards, you will be having the full length mock test will be unlocked. Okay, full length mock test will be unlocked. So make sure you are all attempting this in order to check what is your understanding level, where you are standing in front of the students in the national level, we can say platform, right? So that is the reason it's very important. Try to attempt this full length mock test. Okay, right? Chaliye. So that's it from my side, and definitely we are having the different courses being live. Those are planning for 25 and 26. We are already having a vision course, and for the students, those who are planning for this year 2024 GATE, is already a crash course running. You can definitely enroll to this if you have not yet completed the important subjects. That's it from my side, and you can download the PDF from this Telegram channel, that is Mechanical by Suraj Gopi, right? So thank you, and tomorrow let me have a quick update. Tomorrow we'll be meeting at 6 p.m. 3 days, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, 3 days, 3 subject mock test of ISRO examination. Let me write 6 p.m. on Saturday, Sunday and Monday. You will be having the ISRO mock test, and let us see what is your preparation level for the different subjects. Theory of machine, heat transfer and your engineering mechanics, 3 subjects I have taken individually one day. Saturday, I think tomorrow I have taken theory of machine. Let's see how much you have revised, and let us cross check your understanding. And the level of question will be the ISRO level of paper, okay, not the GATE level. Tomorrow we'll be having this 6 p.m. The ISRO level of paper. Okay, that's it from my side. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you guys. Do take care of yourself and stay connected with BYJU'S Exam Prep. And before leaving, do like this session and do subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.